What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So, baka manibago kayo sa looks ko. So, nagpakalbo ako kanina lang, 3 hours ago. Yes, kanina lang talaga. Pati ako nanibago ako kasi the last time na nagkalbo ako, it was 2012. That was, I think, I was 19 years old. Yeah, 12 years ago. Anyway, so punta tayo dito sa highly requested, and si Miss Dana May na naman yung nag-send sa akin ng link sa Instagram. So napaka consistent ni Miss Dana para sa inyo, guys. So this is Divas of the Queendom, pay tribute to all the fathers out there. All Out Sundays. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video, and make sure nakasubscribe kayo dito kung bago kayo, and also do follow me on my Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Okay, don't miss out my uploads. Okay, so let's go. Oh, si Rita yung nauna. Okay.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high.
Nilaro ba naman, no? Very calm and relaxed lang yung approach niya, no? Tapos nilaro-laro lang. Laro-laro lang.
Dance with my mother and me, and then spin me
Oh,
around
Jessica.
till then sleep.
Nice.
Then on the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure.
Gusto ko yung improvement ni Jessica, yung sa soft tones niya, no? Kasi dati nga, 'di ba, sabi ko na many times in the past na medyo talaga pag kumanta siya, I can already feel aggressiveness agad-agad. But yung improvement niya sa soft tones niya, ramdam ko.
I was
Ang ganda ni Julie.
If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with them.
Alam nyo, habang tumatagal, mas lalong gumaganda si Julian. I don't know why, but bro, I just have to say it.
I'll play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my mother again. Sometimes I listen outside her door. I hear her mama crying.
Yung mukha ni Marian, parang hinahanap niya yung harmony. Hana. Guys, curious question lang kasi, hindi naman ako very updated, no? In terms sa solo life nila, hindi yung Queendom. Meron na ba sila lahat? Like, itong, wala si Thea, no? Okay? Wala si Thea. Including Thea, meron na ba silang, I know Julian meron na, but I don't know about the others, kung meron na silang original songs na ni-release. Please, let me know. Alyo to si Rita, no? Gaganon-ganon na dance with... Sassy na sassy pa rin eh. Sarap ng harmonization. Ito pa, oh.
This is all I ever
Nice. Nice, bro. Galing. Palakpak naman dyan.
There's two things I know for sure. She was sent here from heaven, and she's daddy's little girl. As I drop to my knees by her bed tonight,
Sarap sa tenga.
to Jesus, and I
Nice
close
song.
my eye, and I thank God for all of the joy in life.
Basic.
Oh, but most of all, from butterfly kisses after bedtime prayers, so good little white flowers all up in her hair. Walk beside the pony, Daddy. It's my first ride. I know the cake looks funny, Daddy, but I should try. Oh, with all that I've done wrong, I must have done something right.
Nice.
To deserve a hug every morning. What if I
Ganda ng vocal splits. Sarap sa tenga, man.
walk me down the aisle, Daddy? It's just about time.
There's something about Jessica. Ang ganda niya din today, ha.
Daddy, don't cry. Oh, with all that I've done wrong, I must have done something right.
Nice.
To deserve this love every morning and butterfly kisses and
Nice. Ganda nung dynamics, no? Okay. Parang may napansin ako sa kanila. Very simple lang yung look nila today. Nothing really like extravagant sa hairstyle. Nothing really special. Just, very simple lang. And I think, no, ang ganda ng makeup nila dito sa production na to. Silang lahat, fresh look lang. Nothing really strong or nagsa-stand out. Just fresh lang. Kaya siguro, there's something very refreshing, no? Pinapanood kanina pa ako na napapaisip eh. There's something really, something that irks me na parang ang gaganda nila. Okay, makeup pala yun. Siguro I don't know. Aside sa magaganda na sila, no?
an only child alone and wild.
Country music.
Make a son. His hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He left his home and went his lone and solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know.
Bagay na bagay kay Rita yung mga country. Dahil sa technique ng pagkanta niya.
I thank you for the music and the
Very pop talaga.
stories of the
Pop diva.
I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. Thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you nearly enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are broken.
Ito kanta to, favorite talaga to ng mga tatay, no? I don't know why, but pagka meron tayong gathering ng mga tatay, tapos may karaoke, leader of the band is one of the most performed, no? Na kanta.
His blood runs through my instrument, and the song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band.
Ito na.
The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are glowing up. His blood runs through my
Oh. So yung ano nila dito, yung sa outfit, ano, yung theme ata, denim. Oh, ganun ko lang na ano, parang, oh, sila pala lahat. Nice. Ano lang, sweet lang siya, no? Lambing. Okay, yung mga songs nila today, lambing. Well, obviously, it should be that lambing na ano na concept for these songs, no? Kasi it's a tribute to all the fathers out there. And maaliwalas, no? Yung energy they're giving me, so you know, yung very simple lang, no? They're giving me a morning or mid-afternoon vibe. Yung parang, ano lang, kalma. No, ganun. Nice. And the vocal splits, as always, ang sarap sa tenga, no? Harmonization talaga. And, saan ba si Thea? No? Ba't wala si Thea? Parang, kasi, every time na wala yung isa, no? Parang, you know, it's not complete, no? Yung feeling is parang merong kulang, no? Merong kulang na pwede pa sana. But anyway, I don't know what other lakad Thea had dito sa araw na to. But again, belated happy Father's Day, and magpasalamat kayo kay Danamay. Okay? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.